with the tracks they just laid out. They're using this crane setup here to then take those tracks across the excavator and then marry it on the back end to get ourselves a completed lower track frame for a medium-sized excavator. Last step, the grease. They use a robot. The robot by camera identifies what size machine it is and then puts the right amount of grease within the swing gear there before then it slides over to get married. We never see that grease again. Oh yeah, baby. How does this work?
Massage. 이거 써도 돼요?
허리, 벨트, 허리.
You put it on the,
운동, 헬스,
put it on?
Okay.
You want to try both of them on?
Yeah. We've been in 2 gyms and we've seen these now. We just had a conversation about them. Okay, I'm ready. What? Okay, I've had enough. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The marriage of the upper frame with the lower frame. Till death do them apart. So this is where